Lingua.com. Listening Comprehension. Caught in a Rainstorm. Every time Alice went outside to go for a walk, it started to rain. Each time it rained on her, she scolded herself for forgetting to bring an umbrella. It was a waste of time to fix her hair if the weather would undo her work. Using her gray coat as a shield against the raindrops, Alice ran home. People with umbrellas stared at her as she passed by. When will she learn her lesson? They must have been asking. When the spring ended, maybe Alice would be able to go outside without worrying about the big fat clouds overhead. Not yet, though. It was only April. Please answer the following questions. Question 1. What does Alice keep forgetting? A. Her purse. B. Her hat. C. Her dog. D. Her umbrella. Question 2. How is Alice shielding herself from the rain? A. With her coat. B. With her hands. C. Under a tree. D. She doesn't have a shield. Question 3. Who is watching Alice? A. The mailman. B. People with umbrellas. C. No one. D. Alice's dog. Question 4. What season is it? A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Spring. D. Autumn. Question 5. What month is it? A. December. B. April. C. July. D. February. Question 6. What happened to Alice's hair? A. It got frizzy. B. Nothing. C. It got wet. D. It's tangled.